Hello, this is part 2 of calculating item facility and item discrimination. Right now we're going to calculate item facility. Notice that I'm using Word, but you could use Excel or any other program to calculate this, but I chose one in which we can work without using technology, one that we could use in the classroom using simple pen and paper. I just quoted this from Brown. It says, if simply reflects the number of students answering the item correctly. And in this case, we are going to analyze item number 6 only from the exams I previously showed you. And in this case, we have to take all the students into account. We are not going to divide the group into thirds or any other number. We are just going to take all of them into account. Here you have the formula we're going to be using. Item facility is going to be equal to the number of students answering the item correctly divided by the total number of students responding to that item. So in this case, item 6, we have that the number of students who answered the item correctly is 7, and the total number of students, as I said before, is going to be 14. So if we divide 7 by 14, we are going to see that it's 0.5. 0.5 is going to be our if or item facility number. This is kind of a line that is going to show us more or less if the item is easy, about right, or difficult. Of course, this is very subjective and you would decide that depending on the type of exam or item you want to have. Maybe you want to have an item that is very easy just to relax your students or so. So this one is 0.5. So it goes right here. It is just about right. Okay? And then it will be my decision to continue using it, modify it, or throw it away, as it says here. There is no absolute if value that must be met to determine if an item should be included in the test as is, modified, or thrown out. But appropriate test items will generally have ifs that range between 0.15 and 0.85. But again, it is your decision to keep, modify, or throw out an item.